Came up with the contest. Who goes first?
Allie.
All right, Allie. Give us your best one throw.
Do it.
Okay. All right. Teresa,
All right, we'll mark that
can
one
you
right
mark this?
Leading wing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Flies away.
Here you go.
Allie, would you like to take your second throw now? Or let Ian go?
I'll let Ian go.
All right, Ian.
All right, go in.
Here is your throw for distance. Whoa, my goodness.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That one's under the stairs.
All right. Go ahead and grab it, mark it with this pencil where it landed. Now, we will give it points for distance.
Yep.
Did it fly? In a manner. All right, Allie. Second throw. Oh, better. All right. We definitely need to move that pencil. All right. Ian, for your second launch.
You want to do a second launch? Okay.
Didn't quite beat your first one. Go grab it. All right. Allie, when you are ready, think about your strategy and how you want to throw this thing and figure out.
I mean, I've tested front's bad, middle's bad, and end's bad, so.
What about like up in the air though? Like if you get it high. Yeah, if you get it high, will it do better?
Because you took that wing back in. Oh, yeah, that one.
Yep. All right. Final throw. Can you beat your previous spot? Ooh, okay. Nope, not on that one. All right. And Ian's first one was his best one. Okay. That's the distance.